Good morning, savers. We are here with another huge matchup for Publix. This is the early peek at the best deals and matchups for October 31st through November 6th or November 1st through November 7th, depending on where you are. Remember, when you're reading, all of the red links are rebates, pink store coupons, blue printable, retail me not means RMN, SS means Smart Source, and P&G is Procter & Gamble. The dates you see are the date that the inserts came out, and the EXP expiration date will be there also. First up, we have Milo's Kitchen Home Style Dog Treats. These are regularly $14.99, which is insanely expensive. I can't even get it out. $14.99 for dog treats. Anyway, you can pick these up for $1.75 if you are in a sales cycle that starts October 31st. You're going to buy two and use a $3.50 printable coupon or the $3.50 from Retail Me Not October 7th. The reason you want to do this deal the reason that you will get them for $1.75 is there is a hot $4 off of one Publix pet coupon, which you can print by clicking right here, and it expires October 31st. So only the Wednesday sales cyclers will get the rock bottom low price of $1.75. If you are somewhere else, if your sale does not start on October 31st, use that same $3.50 off two coupon, printable or insert, and you will get yours for $5.75, which is still a great deal because if they're normally almost $15, $5.75 sounds good too. Okay, next up we have Green Giant 4 packs of canned vegetables, buy one get one free. I love when these come around. There are no coupons. You do not need any, but you will be getting 4 cans for 59 cents a can, which is a good deal on canned vegetables. So pick yours up. Seeds of Change. I cannot wait to try this because I'm trying a lot of organic foods lately. So this is Seeds of Change organic rice or 7 whole grains, 8.5 ounce buy one get one free, $3.50 normal price. We have $1.50 off of 2 printable coupon, and you will get yours for $1 each. Welch's Juice, 64 ounce buy one get one free, $3.83. We have $1 off of 2 from the Retail Me Not September 30th. It includes our 64 ounces that the sale is on, and it is for the 100% juice. You will pay $1.42 after this coupon. A2 Milk, another thing I'm going to pick up and try. 59 ounce, $3.50 is the sale price. We have a 75 cents off of 1 printable coupon, making them $2.75. There is also a 75 cents Ibotta. You can get a rebate. I believe it's a limit of 1, but that's still a great deal because you'll get $1.50 off of $3.50, and your final price will be $2. Avocados are going to be on sale again. This is not buy one get one free this week, but they are on sale for $1 each. So if you did not use or you have not printed your $1 off of 3 coupon, you will get them for 67 cents each. If you did use this, there's another coupon you can print out, a 75 cents off of 3. Still a good deal on avocados. 8 o'clock coffee, 10 to 12 ounce or buy one get one free, $6.71. Now this coupon is currently no longer available. The link usually does come back, so I left it here if you'd like to check it out. If it does, if we can snag $1 off of 1 from somewhere, we will get coffee for $2.36 each. The big family size cereals for General Mills. We're talking Honey Nut Cheerios, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, or Lucky Charms. Buy one get one free up to $6.75. Now in my store they are ringing up $4.99 to $5.59. I went ahead and put the family size Cinnamon Toast Crunch picture right here for you, which is a 19.3 ounce. You will get them for $2 each, which is a great deal on a big box of cereal. You'll want to use this $1 off of 2 printable coupon. And like I say, it might be the same for the insert for the Cheerios. I just have not checked the price on those. Enlightened ice cream is on sale again. My husband will kill me if I come home with any more, so I'm going to have to skip out on this deal. They are buy one, get one free, $4.99. We have $1 off of 2 printable coupon that they will email to you, making them $2 each. Now, if you find someone that has printable coupons, maybe they have stored them as a PDF and they have them available, which there are people out there that do. You might find someone that has the buy one, get one free coupon, and if you live in true BOGO land, you would pick these up for totally free. Del Monte canned fruit are buy one, get one free, $1.99. You're going to end up getting them for 81 cents each after you print out this 75 cents off of 4 printable coupon. Chicken breasts is buy one, get one free, $6.49 per pound. Pick up 2 packs of chicken breasts and you will get them buy one, get one free. It's a great time to stock up on chicken breasts. You can use this in a ton of recipes. Borden cheese singles. These are the 12 ounces. They're buy one, get one free. They're normally priced $4.79 in the store. There is a 55 cents off of 1 insert coupon from September 16th. Now this does expire October 31st, so this deal is only valid for the states or areas that start their sales cycle on a Wednesday. If you are somewhere else, you can still pick them up, but this coupon will be no longer valid at that point. Crunchmaster Veggie Crisps. Looks like it's 3.54 to 4.5 ounce. So they have brownie thins. I'm not sure if they're going to be included in this sale, but I did put both coupons here. The Veggie Crisps is the $1.50 off of 1 coupon. That's the highest value one we have as far as printables and inserts go. You will end up getting those for 83 cents each. If the brownie thins are included in the sale, the ounces are definitely the right ounces to fit within this sale, but the ad was a little vague, so I'm not sure. If they are, you'll want to print this one out and you'll get those for 83 cents each too, which sound delicious. We also have a couple $1 off of 1 coupons available, and we have $1 off of 1 from the insert October 21st as well. Barilla pasta sauce, 14.5 ounce or 24 ounce are buy one, get one free. $2.75 to $2.81 is the average price in stores. We have $1 off of 1 from Retail Me Not September 9th, making them 38 cents each for jarred sauce. Great to have on hand. And another Barilla deal we have is pasta, 12 or 16 ounce, buy one, get one free boxes, $1.69. We have $1 off of 4 Retail Me Not coupon from September 9th. Pick up 4 boxes, use one of these coupons, and you will pay 60 cents each box. Another cereal deal we have, Post cereals will be on sale, so we're talking Great Grains, Shredded Wheat, and Raisin Bran. The Raisin Bran 20 ounce in my store is buy one, get one free, $4.09. We have $1 off of 2 Great Grains if you want to go with that cereal. I believe that might be around $3.83. So you might be able to get the Great Grains a little bit cheaper. And we have a Publix flyer coupon where you're going to get free bananas when you buy one of these participating cereals. So pick up your 2 boxes of Raisin Bran, or if you want to use this coupon, you can print and get the Great Grains and you'll get some free bananas too. Bertolli olive oil is buy one, get one free. These are normally priced $8.99 and the organic is $11.99. Now I did post a video earlier in the week of $1 off of 1 coupon I found near the Aprons Center in my store, or it might be on the coupon carousel center in your store. Be on the lookout, go check your store out, make sure you grab a couple so you can pick these expensive bottles up for just $3.50 each. Cape Cod's Wave Chips. I just tried these a couple of weeks ago. They are new and they are really good. I'm going to go ahead and pick up my bags. These are on sale for $2.50. We have our Fetch Rewards, which I love redeeming. Make sure you sign up right here if you have not done so yet. You'll get some bonus points by signing up through my link. And there's an Ibotta rebate of 75 cents off each one with a limit of 5. So we can pick up to 5 bags of these and rake up on both of our Ibotta and our Fetch Rewards rebates, because Fetch is unlimited and Ibotta has a limit of 5. So $1.75 for each bag. Gordon's fish fillets, breaded fish sticks, or fillets are buy one get one free, $6.99. We're talking the very big value packs here. You can get yours for $3 each after you print this $1 off of 2 printable coupon. Another frozen deal is corn chicken nuggets, tenders, or patties. Buy one get one free, $4.69. We have a $1 off of 1 printable coupon. We have a $3 Ibotta rebate that ends October 31st. So this is another amazing deal that the Wednesday sales cyclers get to benefit on, and us Thursday people are pouting. We will get ours for Thursday land, $1.35 each. Wednesday people, run into the stores, redeem your rebate that ends October 31st, and you have a money maker. All right, next up we have Pillsbury Grand Biscuits. Buy one, get one free, $2.29. Might be a little bit cheaper in your store. We have that 50 cents off of 1 Sweet Hawaiian Flaky Grands Biscuit coupon. Make sure you pick up the Sweet Hawaiian variety, and you will get yours for 65 cents each. You'll pay a little bit more if you want to use one of these other coupons, if you don't want the Sweet Hawaiian variety, or if you just don't have any left of these. Barber Foods stuffed chicken breasts, great to have on hand for a quick weeknight dinner. You can pick these up, buy one get one free, 8 or 10 ounce, $5.49 normally, but if you print the $1 off of 2 printable coupon, you will get yours for $2.25 each. Amazing deal on toothbrushes. Make sure you keep your eyes out in your store. There are value packs. I just checked mine yesterday. There is a 4-pack in my store for $3.59. They do have the 2-packs also. I'm sorry, $3.59 is the regular price. There's a $2 off auto deduct, and there's a $1 off of 1 P&G coupon coming out tomorrow. Make sure you get your newspapers or order your coupons. P&G October 28th, $1 off of 1 Oral-B. That's $3 off of our $3.59 price, making them 59 cents each. That is a deal to smile about. L'Oreal Elvive. I wrote this deal for the Green Flyer last week. That deal, the Green Flyer started today. Hold off on that deal because the price is going to get better. We're going to pay $3.99 sale price during this sale cycle. You'll stack that $1.50 off of 1 flyer coupon, and you will use the $3 off of 2 insert coupon from Retail Me Not October 21st. This Publix coupon is a limit of 1, but we're still going to only pay $1.74 each for shampoo and conditioner that's normally $5. Another L'Oreal deal is Preference, Excellence, or Ferrier hair colors. They're on sale $7.99 a box. We have a very high value $6 off of 2 insert coupon from the Retail Me Not October 21st, and you will pay $4.99 a box for hair dye. Nice kitty deal coming up. We have 2 good kitty deals. Here's one, Meow Mix dry cat food, 3 or 3.15 pound bags. Buy one, get one free, $4.79. We have $1 off of 1 from Retail Me Not, $9.30, making them $1.40 each bag. And our second kitty deal is Meow Mix cat treats, Irresistibles or brushing bites are buy one get one free, $1.79. We have a 55 cents off of 1 from Retail Me Not, $9.30, making them 35 cents each. Hefty plates or bowls are going to be buy one, get one free, $2.99. We have the dollar off of 2 printable coupon that is always available as long as you have not hit your limits, making them 99 cents each. Another hefty deal is the tall kitchen bags or strong trash bags on sale of $5.99. We have the dollar off of 1 printable coupon, making them $4.99 each. All laundry detergent, buy one, get one free, $5.99. We have a $2 off of 2 from Retail Me Not October 28th, or a $1 off of 1 from that same insert. This is again another reason to get your inserts and your newspapers this weekend. You will pick yours up for $2 each laundry detergent. Tide Simply Pods, the 13 counts, are going to be on sale for $3. We have the $2 off of 1 from Retail Me Not October 14th, making them $1 each, which is a great deal on Tide Pods. They are the Tide Simply, but it's still a good deal. Sprout baby food is on sale again, $1 each. We have those 2 buy one, get one free coupons that you can print out. We also have $2 off of 5 printable coupons if you want to print those. If you use the buy one, get one free coupon, you will pay 50 cents each. Febreze is regular price $3.29. We have a buy 3, get $3 auto deduction. There is a buy one, get one free Febreze coupon in the brand new October 28th P&G. Remember, P&G is now a limit of 1, and this coupon is a maximum value of $3. So even though they are $3.29 each, you're only going to get $3 off, and then the $3 auto deduct, making them $1.29 each can. Quaker Oats is buy one, get one free, $2.89. We have a $1 off of 2 from Retail Me Not October 14th, and it is part of our Fetch Reward program, so you can get some rebate points on that, making them 95 cents each before the Fetch Rewards. And this is a stocking spree item. So this is the last visual deal. I did, I think, 34-ish deals this week of visual deals, a ton of stuff to get. Below, remember, you can continue to scroll and see all the rest of the matchups. Wherever you see stocking spree item, I have listed that next to those items down here. Those are items that are part of a Publix program where if you spend $50, you'll get a $10 gift card. And it is a gas card week this week. So there's a lot of deals up here that you can coordinate to do a gas card deal. What you would want to do is spend $50. You clip out the $10 off of gas, off of a $50 gas card coupon from the weekly ad. So you're going to spend $50 on groceries before coupons. You're going to pick up a $50 gas card. You're going to be at a right around $100 is where you want to land. Then you're going to take off all of your coupons, and you're going to take off your $10 off of 50 gas and try to get it as low as you can. I'll try to make a couple scenarios for you guys for that and make another video going over the gas card deals in more depth if you're new to it. If you need any help, comment below. And thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you guys. Have a great day.